In this problem, we are asked to match the tables with the corresponding vertex form. One option is to add the table into Desmos and have Desmos give us the vertex form equation by using y1 tilde a parentheses x minus h1 squared plus k. We can also look at some of the features that are evident in our table to help us match the corresponding vertex form equation. So let's take a look at our first table. We don't have any symmetry evident when we're looking at our f of x values of -45, -27, -13, -3. Let's try our next table at the bottom left. We're looking for symmetry so we can find the vertex. Our y values go from 0 to -1.5 to -2 to -1.5. You see that repetition in your y values? That's indicating that this -4, -2 is our vertex. So that should match 1/2 x plus 4 squared minus 2. The reason that it is x plus 4 is because when we substitute into our vertex form for h is -4 and k is -2, that is x minus h squared. So it is x minus -4 squared, which is x plus 4 squared. So remember, it has that sign change. All right, let's move on to our next table. Our y values go from -3 to -2 to -3 to -6. Once again, we see the repetition in this y value, and we can then identify that the vertex is at -3, -2. So that means our equation should be y equals negative parentheses x plus 3 squared minus 2, because our vertex here is at -3, -2. Our last table with the f of x at 31, 23.5, 17, and 11.5 doesn't show any evidence of symmetry. So we can look at our equations, and our two equations that we have left have different a values. Since we know a relationship between the a value and the second difference, we could find the second difference of our table. So if I'm looking at -45 to -27, that is plus 18. -27 to -13 is plus 14. -13 to -3 is plus 10. So my second difference here is -4. So A is equal to half of that -4, which is -2. So therefore, that must be f of x is equal to -2 parentheses x minus 5 squared plus 5. And that leaves 1/2 parentheses x minus 4 squared minus 1, which we could validate using Desmos or by finding our second difference and taking half of it.